So mga palangga, here are my ingredients for my pininyahang manok or chicken in pineapples. Ayan. So let's start with salt and pepper, minced ginger, garlic, green bell pepper, onions, carrots, pineapples, coconut milk here, tomatoes, and 1 whole chicken. Nakachop na siya. Ayan. So, that's it mga palangga. Let's proceed to the kitchen. So, mga palangga, first thing is to fry our chicken. Ayan. So mga palangga, after we fry our chicken, then magsusutay tayo ngayon. Dito din. So, since maraming oil, tatanggalin ko muna yung excess oil mga palangga. Okay? So mga palangga, ito na siya. Konti na lang yung ating oil. Ayan. So, and then, magsusutay ako ngayon. First is our onion. Our garlic. Ginger, minced ginger. Tomatoes, mga palangga. So after I saute this, I'm gonna transfer this into a cooking pot mga palangga. So ito siya mga palangga. And then, I'm gonna add this a little of water. Just small water lang mga palangga. And this time, I'm gonna put our chicken. Ayan. And this time, and I'm gonna add my coconut milk, mga palangga. And then, titimplahan ko siya, salt and pepper. Here's the salt. And then, I'm gonna add my carrots. let's simmer this. So when starting to boil mga palangga, I'm gonna add my pineapple with juice. Ayan, here. And let's simmer again. Here. And I'm gonna add a little more ground pepper and a pinch of salt. Simmer this again. Ayan, luto na ang ating ulam mga palangga. It's time to serve. Habit mga palangga, may pininyahang manok. Ayan, kaunta!